Welcome to the second episode of Looking for the Perfect Beans in Tomato Sauce in South Africa. Today I'm going to review great value baked beans which I bought at Cain recently. As I always say, it's not just the taste, it's also the texture that makes a difference. I'm going to open it so that you can see what it looks like and then I'll rate it from there. This one also got some sauce on top. Actually smells better than the other one that I tried. I'm gonna mix it a bit and then taste what it tastes like. Otherwise I'll only heat some of the water. There you go. Cheers, eh? It's actually a bit better than the no name. It tastes a bit better. More salty and more taste. But also not great. I'll give us a 7.4 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all, till next time.